Hello, and today on How to Thrifty, I'm going to look at this motion sensing light bulb by Feit Electric. On this side of my house, I wanted to have a motion sensing light, and instead of installing a fixture for a motion sensing light, I decided I'd just try a light bulb instead. Looked pretty simple. The beauty of this light bulb is it has 3 settings on it. It has the option to do a daylight setting, a cool white setting, and a soft white setting. It's different levels of light. Also, another cool thing about it, as you can see here on this side of the box, is it is a dusk to dawn light bulb. So the light turns on with motion at night and it's off during the day. So to test this light bulb out, I'm going to go ahead and unscrew the screws that are holding this glass fixture in place. Pull that off. Go ahead and unscrew the light bulb and pull this out of the box, and you can see we have the switch here. It's pretty simple, and it shows it pretty plainly here, the different settings for the daylight, soft white, or cool white settings. Whichever your choice is, really just turn it on and flip the switch and see which one you like better. I'm going to go with the daylight setting since it's a motion sensor light bulb and I want it to light up a large area. The biggest reason I got this one is it's the same size, almost the same size as this regular light bulb. And another motion sensing light bulb I've tried in the past is just much too big for some of these small glass housings. So we're going to go ahead and screw this in. Looks like it's working. And again, my housing fits. Let's go ahead and redo these screws and test it at night. Here I am at night. I'm going to go ahead and wave my hand in front of the light bulb, and it's working. If you like this light bulb, you can find it on Amazon. I got a link in the description. Thanks for watching.